In this video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer money to your bank account from your Revolut account. So for that, you need to follow these steps. So here is how you will be able to transfer your money to external bank account to your other Revolut accounts. So for that, just go to your payment section or to your home page, and from there just click on send. Then choose the recipient and country part from the list, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transfer. Please always double check the account details of the recipient you are sending the money to. Once your transfer is complete, it can't be cancelled. Only member with verified identity can complete transfer depending on your account permission. You might need to get the transfer approval by someone who has admin access, in which case just contact your team or to verify them using a SMS verification code. If you are not receiving a code, you can contact the support team of the Revolut. And this is basically how you will be able to transfer your money to your bank account from your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.